During discharge from Cloudnine Hospital, they gave us a complimentary box sponsored by First Cry. Buttons are at the back. Let's unbox it. Opening the box right now. A lot of things inside. First item is the Pampers. Pamper pants, I think 2 numbers. Then we have baby lotion and baby wash. We have here a mild soap bar for the baby from Cetaphil. And we have an ointment here. I think it's before nappy. So I don't know what that is, need to check it out. Then we have some wet wipes from Mother's Spush brand. And we have a Mother's Spush plant powdered laundry detergent for babies. So that's good. And we have some marketing catalogs. So the Cetaphil baby bar, and we have some coupons. So there's a 200 rupees coupon here, and inside there's some 25% off coupons. So I think we can buy it on First Cry website or the app or at the physical store. So keep it safely. Then we have a little informative booklet, Little Things Mommy Should Know. So covering a wide range of topics for the newborn and for the mom. So looks very informative. Let's see the contents here. Nice. So let's wrap it up. Thank you guys for watching this short video.